This is from the front window. You can see the results of the snowstorm. The last couple of days, it's piled high. And this is in the back. You can see we're all ready to start again. Stomping down paths. Some are grouchy. There they go, racing. That's Kiddo. Hi, Fig. Hi, Fig. There's some of them up on the stoop who want to go in, not out. There's Gracie. Hi, Gracie. Hi, Grace. Hi, Grace. Yes, good morning. There's Gracie's mother, Rory. And you can see again. Hi, Fig. Hey, Fig. There we have Gracie running through the trails. Hi, Grace. Hi, Grace. Oh, you're cute. Yes, you're cute. Yeah. Here's Rossio. Ross. Woo, Ross. Hi, Ross. How are you? Huh? There's Fig way over by the garage. Okay, girls. Hi, Kiddo. See by the stoop on that last step, it isn't even shoveled down to the ground. It's a lot of snow. Okay, we're going to take a little walk. Walk along the path and see who will follow. A little bumpy. Let's see. Come on! Come on! A few of them came. Hi! Come on! Come on, you lazy bums! Come on! Good dogs. Hi, Dora. No wire hair on you, huh, Dora? Smooth coat right up to the top of your back, huh? Okay, here we are in the corner. There's Ross out there. Hi, Rossio. Woo! There's Dora, my smooth coat. And there's Gracie, little Gracie, the puppy, 11 months old now. Here's Tintle. Hi, Tintle. And Big. And then the girls who have had enough snow. Poor Dina. She hasn't got much of a wire coat, so she doesn't really enjoy this either. And there's Rory over there. Rory! Oh, Rory, come on! Her hair's all fluffed up, so she looks like a camel right now. Hi, Dora. Hi, Dora. Is the snow getting to you, huh? Oh, poor Gracie. Are you getting cold, honey? Want to go in? Okay, let's go. Inside. 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 Here we go. Do they know the word inside or what? And back through the snow. You can see it's covering everything. Not too bad on the roof because Cal has been raking the roof through all these storms. And there they are, up on the stoop, waiting to go in. Okay.